In this video, we're going to calculate the area of a triangle. And it just says calculate the area of the triangle. And here's the triangle. And here's the height, which is 13 millimeters. And here's the base length, 16 millimeters. So remember, the area of a triangle is calculated like this. Area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. And if you take a look at the description below, you'll find a video there. There's a link that explains why the area is half base times height. And sometimes it's important to know that and it helps you just kind of remember why it is that way. And it'll help you remember what the formula is for the area of a triangle. So you could check that out. So now step 2, find the base and height of the triangle, which we kind of did already. We know the base is 16 millimeters and the height is 13 millimeters. Now, step 3, put the numbers into the formula. So area equals half times the base, which is 16 millimeters, times the height, which is 13 millimeters. And then you just calculate that out. And it works out to be 104. Now, don't forget, remember, the units for area are square units. So you have to make sure you put the units in. So the area of the triangle is 104 square millimeters. And that's the end of that lesson. And don't worry if you didn't understand it. Like I said, there's links in the description. You could go take a look there. There's extra links there to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson, and there's a link there that'll take you to this video, so you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and make sure to like and subscribe.